How to share your Facebook post to Instagram. So first of all is that you want to go here into Facebook and then make your post. So I'm gonna tap here, and then from here you want to add your content like text or maybe photo. But take note that you will not be able to share that into Instagram if you go for text. I'm just gonna go for a photo in here. So I'm just gonna go and add a photo. So I'll be tapping here and continue, allow. And now from here, I'm going to tap on my gallery and then add a photo in here and tap on next. And it is now added to my post. And from here, I'm going to tap here on the Instagram icon on the top right. And now from here, it says this point can be shared to Instagram, and you need to tap here on learn more. So in here, you'd now be able to see on what can't be shared to Instagram. So make sure that you follow these rules. So first of all, photos or videos that are too tall or wide for Instagram app, as well as post with photos of different sizes. So you can share that into Instagram, and post with features only available in Facebook, like text posts, live videos, reshares, or some creative tools. And if your Facebook audience is only me, posts won't be shared on Instagram. So you need to mind your settings. So in here, it says only me, so I need to set this into public and tap on done. Next, as you can see, it says on now. So I am now able to share this into Instagram just like that. Just make sure that you meet the requirements and tap on next right here in the top right and tap on post. And then just like that, you will now be able to post this on your Facebook as well as Instagram. So now let's wait for it to be uploaded. And now as you can see, it's now been uploaded. Now let's go into Instagram and check if it's also posted on my profile. As you can see, it's also here, right here. So yeah, this is how you can do it here on Instagram, on how you would be able to share your Facebook posts to Instagram.